Top Gunski. Moscow releases video of its latest fighter jet boasting it can destroy the best that Britain and America have to offer. The Russian Ministry of Defense has released a video of its latest fighter jet in an effort to drive foreign export sales. The Kremlin wants foreign governments to buy its latest Sukhoi 35s jet instead of a Western aircraft. As part of the sales drive, the Russian Air Force released footage of a test pilot taking its Sukhoi SU-35s for a spin. The supersonic jet is being sold as a multi-purpose single-seat fighter with both speed and agility. Unlike the F-22 and F-35, the Su-35s is not a stealth fighter and relies far more on dogfighting skills, like older aircraft such as the F-16. Several cameras have been fitted to the aircraft in the video as it performs a range of high-energy maneuvers. According to Jain Defense Weekly, China has already purchased 24 Su-35s worth an estimated $2 billion. The aircraft has a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 at 36,000 feet, approximately 1,500 miles per hour, and carry 8,000 kilograms in weapons with a range of around 1,000 miles. Russia claims the aircraft is better than the West's fourth-generation aircraft, such as the US F-16 and French Rafale and even the RAF's Typhoon interceptor. The Su-35s is fitted with a 30mm cannon for air-to-air dogfighting as well as the capability of carrying rockets, missiles and bombs.